Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Tara, and on this channel, I share delicious, easy, healthy recipes that you can make right in your very own kitchens. In today's video, we're gonna be making mac and cheese. I am so excited about this recipe. It is so easy, delicious, packed with protein, and the base for this is going to be cashews. Now, you do not have to be vegan to enjoy this mac and cheese. It is so creamy, delicious, easy to make, great for meal prepping. Before we get started, I would love it if you would join our community. You do that by hitting the red subscribe button below, and be sure to hit the bell icon. That way you don't miss anything. I have lots of new recipes and ideas coming your way throughout the rest of this year. Okay guys, let's hop right into the video. Okay guys, let's get started. We're grabbing 1/2 cup of raw cashews and topping that with hot water. This will speed the process up of softening the cashews. Next, we're bringing a small to medium saucepan to boil. We're gonna add just a little bit of sea salt, and then we're gonna add our favorite pasta. I love red lentil pasta, but you use any pasta you like. If you're using lentil pasta, be sure to keep a close eye on it. It has a tendency to boil over, and that's happened to me lots of times, so just keep an eye on it. Now I'm gonna add a handful of baby carrots, like 6 to 7 of them. I'm adding them straight to the saucepan. This is a great hack so you don't have to dirty another pot. And I'm just gonna reserve about 1/4 cup of the cooking water. That's very starchy, and we're gonna add this to the sauce. Perfect. Once the pasta is al dente, we're gonna drain it in the sink. Be careful, it's hot. And I like to rinse my pasta off with cold water to stop the cooking process. So I'm just rinsing it off. Next, I'm adding just a drizzle of olive oil. This is really just to keep it from sticking together. This is gonna yield 4 portions, and 3 of the portions I'm meal prepping. So I just want it not to stick. So I'm stirring it really well. Now I'm gonna add some sea salt. It's really great to season as you go, each step of the process, and just give that a really good mix. Perfect. Next, in our high-speed blender, we are gonna add the cashews. I've rinsed and drained them. And I'm also going to add the liquid that we reserved from the cooking, from the pot. We're gonna add that in there. I'm adding 1/3 cup of nutritional yeast. You can add more or less as you like. I'm adding the baby carrots that were cooked, some sea salt, some fresh cracked pepper. It's all going in there. This is such an easy recipe. I'm using 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder and 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder. And I'm also using 1/4 cup of filtered water, and I blended it up. Oh my goodness, look at this sauce. This sauce is absolutely incredible. It tastes like cheese sauce, looks like cheese sauce. I'm stirring it onto the pasta. You could use this and dip chips in it, except it is high protein, really good for you, so delicious. And next I'm plating it up. Oh my goodness, look at this. I absolutely love this. I can't wait to hear what you guys think about this pasta. I decided I wanted to add a little bit of a cheesy topping. So I took about 1/4 cup of nutritional yeast and about 2 tablespoons of pine nuts, and I ground it all up and I sprinkled it on top. Any extra you can reserve and keep it in the fridge. So incredibly delicious. And then I topped it with some fresh Italian parsley. I love using Italian parsley on top of pasta. Any fresh herbs are really just delicious. And this meal was so incredibly delicious. Well guys, how easy was that? Delicious, nutritious, packed with protein. It was so much fun making this video. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys. Of new and delicious recipes headed your way there are tons of new delicious recipes coming